Welcome all once again to my YouTube channel. This is Dan Sky Technologies. Today I'll be taking you through on how to create realistic fake YouTube background for free with AI. So we're going to be using Adobe Firefly for this project. So head straight to Adobe Firefly.adobe.com, and then first thing you do there, you go to generative fields, and once you are at generative fields, once the page pops up, the next page, you hit on upload. You upload your data, either your picture or your video. And once the upload is done, you can then add the file that you would like to work on. So we'll be adding that file now. So we're going to upload the file. Now the file is up, and then the next thing you do is to hit straight to insert. So once you hit straight to insert, you also then click on add. So you're adding the pen to draw the lines where it is desired, where you would like the lines to be. Any portion you draw, that is where the effect to take place when you are adding the prompt. So after drawing the lines, you now add the prompt to tell the AI what you want the AI to add to the background video or the picture, the image. So for this particular project, I will be saying add flowers to the top area. So it's going to generate, it will take a while, take some seconds, and it's going to generate a sample, about 2 to 3 samples of this project. So you can see now it's the one of the sample is up. You can see the beauty sample. You can change in the next sample there. So you change to the desired sample you want. Once you are okay with the sample, you can do keep. But if you're not okay, you can click on the more box there after the 3 samples it provides. So you click on more, more samples will be generated, and you can still pick from the samples whichever one is you would prefer. So once you're okay, you just click on the keep, and then you download feature up above there. You click on the download. So if peradventure you strike an area with the okay, first you can toggle this photo back and forth, up and down, if you are not okay with the position. Then if once you make an error, possibly you draw the pen somewhere you are not okay with, you can go to subtract. You click on subtract and erase that error. So if you like this video, please do well to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and also like. So this is all for now. I'll see you in my next content.